Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to set up MX records for business email in Porkbun. So step number 1, log into your Porkbun account. Go to the email provider's website or the Porkbun website and sign into your account. Step 2, navigate to domain management. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Step number 3, select your domain. Find the domain you want to configure and click the details button next to it. Step number 4, edit DNS records. In the domain details area, click on the edit option next to the DNS records. Step number 5, locate and remove existing MX records. Scroll down to find your current DNS records. Look for any existing MX records and delete them by clicking the trash can icon next to them. Step number 6, add new MX records. Scroll back up to the configure custom DNS records area and type select MX mail exchange record from the drop-down menu. For the host, leave this field blank. Enter the mail server name or address provided by your business email provider. Priority, enter the priority number given by your email provider. And click Add button to add the new record. Step number 7, save changes. Make sure to save your new MX records for the changes to take effect. And step number 8, wait for propagation. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. Wait a while, and then your business email should be working correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching.